Imagine being able to fulfill your most unrealistic childhood dreams, like having superpowers or being invisible. In today's world, anything and everything is possible through science. Making matter invisible is no longer a pipe dream but an actual reality and can be done by a process called Pauli blocking. To understand how this works, let's first get familiar with Pauli's exclusion principle. According to this principle, no two fermionic particles, like electrons, protons, or neutrons, can ever have the same quantum state or quantum number. Think of it like this. The atom is an apartment building in which all the fermionic particles live. They have been provided with a unique 4-digit number, which would be their complete address. The first digit of the number is the floor they live on, the second their room number, the third the bed they occupy inside the room, and the fourth the position they use on the bed. Now, even if two particles have the same first 3 digits, they can never have the same fourth digit, as there are only two possible positions they can have on the bed. As a beam of light falls on this atom, the photons inside the beam and the electrons inside the atom interact with each other. The electron absorbs some of the energy of the photon, causing it to recoil to a different energy level while also scattering the photon away. These photons then reach our eyes and enable us to see the object. The same happens in gases. However, if you cool a cloud of gas to a very low temperature and a very high density, then the electrons would lose energy, filling all of the lowest available states and forming a type of matter called a Fermi sea. The particles are now so tightly packed that they don't have any space to go to a different energy level. Since the particles no longer have any space to recoil to, they no longer have the ability to absorb energy from the photons or scatter them away. Thus, the photons pass through the atoms of the cloud with no interaction whatsoever, making the cloud invisible.